Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Lost Light game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lost Light game on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you can choose your server to enter your lobby. Now, if you have already chosen your server, then you will end up within this page where you will need to go into the gear icon in order to look for the language settings. But alternatively, you can also press the escape button where you will find the return to server selection option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to choose your server. Before you do that, look at the right side and you will see various different icons. This also includes the globe icon at the very end. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the list of available languages for this game. Just click on whichever language you prefer to use, and this will switch the in-game language to your selection right away. Once you have chosen your language, you can then choose your server to enter your game. And now your chosen language will be applied to your game right away. And you can now start playing your game with your chosen in-game language. If you wish to change this again in the future, just follow the same steps. Press escape to return to server selection, and then click on the globe icon to choose your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the Lost Light game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.